This is the yellow-lipped sea krait. It's a type of semi-aquatic snake that lives in the Indian and West Pacific Oceans, as well as on land in the countries surrounding it. It's largely, despite the name sea krait, found on land, and while it does hunt in the water quite often, it does have to come back on land in order to digest and reproduce, because it's not capable of doing either of those things while swimming in the water. The end of the tail is kind of flattened vertically into a more paddle shape, so it can wave it back and forth and very easily swim through the water. It's mainly nocturnal and typically very non-aggressive, so bites from it are rare. However, if bites do occur, then it's very dangerous and has to be treated almost immediately because they have very, very potent venom. The venom acts as a neurotoxin, meaning it messes with your nerve signals and firing. Specifically, it stops the synapses from firing properly. It acts as a competitive inhibitor for acetylcholine, which means the venom is a kind of molecule that competes with the acetylcholine for the binding site. So where acetylcholine normally binds to, this venom will try to race it and get there first, and if the venom gets to the binding site before the acetylcholine, then it will mess with the synapse and stop the nerves from firing. The toxin is quite potent and has a rather low LD50 of about 0.45 milligrams per kilogram for body weight in mice. Symptoms include things like paralysis, convulsions, lethargy, as well as things like cyanosis, which is your body kind of taking on a bluish purple color because there's less oxygen binding to the hemoglobin in your blood. Specifically, the toxin is an alpha neurotoxin, which is mainly found in snake venom, particularly sea snake venom. And the main cause of death tends to be respiratory failure, so your lung muscles just stop working. If not treated quickly enough, it can lead to paralysis or eventually death due to said respiratory failure.